You're going to start off by adding some olive oil to your pan. Then go ahead and add in your diced veggies. You're going to stir that up and let that saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. In a separate pan, cook your meat, drain the oil, and season it with salt, pepper, and cumin. Then you're going to add in some diced jalapeno peppers. Then take that meat after you drain the oil and seasoned it and dump it into your veggies and begin mixing. Now's the time to add in your diced tomatoes and your tomato paste. Mix well, and here is where you're going to season your chili before we add in the beans and broth. We got some kidney beans and then we got some chili beans. And finally, go ahead and pour in that beef broth. And now that you have all your ingredients in your pot, just stir it up and you're going to cover it and cook this on low heat for 2 hours, stirring occasionally. And that's it, guys. Throw in some cheese, sour cream, enjoy it with cornbread, and you have chili for chilly nights.